What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. And as you can see, the kind people over at Prodigee sent me out the Kickit case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So here's the phone. We're pretty much just going to unbox this and see what it looks like on the device. Now this will look good if you have the desert titanium because of that kind of color it gives off. I do like this case. So we're going to pick it up, put it in the device like so. Cut that off. Put it in the device like so. These are your camera cutouts. Focus. These are your camera cutouts. Not your camera cutout. These are your button cutouts. My bad. Power button is very, 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 very nice and clicky, as you can see. Down here, this is your camera button now. You have quick access to getting in there. No problem. You could still do everything you need to do. Only thing, I wish it had a actual button, because if dust, dirt, and grime gets in here, I don't know how well it will still work. On the back, at the bottom, you do get all your cutouts you're supposed to have. You do get a nice, good lip. So if you want to place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go. But I recommend you have a screen protector. That way you can just flop it and flip it any kind of way and not worry about the screen getting damaged. On this side, you do get access to your alert slider, which is very nice and clicky. Looks good, like gold accent. Power volume up and down button, nice and clicky. Coming over to the back, there's your MagSafe, because it's MagSafe capable. You do get your camera cutout, but it also doubles as a kickstand. That's why they're calling it the Kickit. And I do like the look and the feel of this case. And if you have a nice looking iPhone, the white iPhone, this will look good with it. But like I said, I recommend you get this case if you have the desert titanium. I feel like this will go really, really good with that. I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.